Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session, we are taking XP25 Excel Chapter 1 ML2 Sales. I will guide you through this video step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exam, quizzes, and for complete course on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. My WhatsApp scanner is given in the first right of this video. You can scan my WhatsApp and directly come on my WhatsApp chat. I am handling many students courses on Mati, the Pearson, Sangage, Mintap, MC Grahil, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. And please reach me out for your other courses help like MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Nursing, Medical, Web Development, and many more online courses. And please deal for this course and deal for this assignment. You can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do your all simulation training, all assignments, project, midterm exam, and final exam with A plus grade. Now I am going to start my assignment to solve it step by step. The title of assignment is XP25 Excel Chapter 1 ML2 Sales. Here is the project description. You can see your project description to get idea about your project. Now I am going to increase the font size of this file for a proper view in my video. Okay, zoom it. And question number 1 is that start Excel, download and open the file name XP25 Excel chapter 1 ML2 sales Excel as grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of file name. Basically in this question we will have to download Excel workbook from Pearson IT Lab dashboard. I have also downloaded this file from my Pearson portal. You can download this file easily from your Pearson portal. You can see this my Excel workbook. Okay. Now moving on next question. Next question is question number 2. Okay. The owners of the house on 640 North Oak Drive took their house off the market. You want to delete that row since I did not sell. Okay. In the April worksheet, delete row 10 which has incomplete sales data. Okay. In the April worksheet, delete row 10 which has incomplete sales data. Okay, we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will select row 10 on April worksheet, delete row 10, click on row 10, right click on this, click on delete this row. Okay, this row will be deleted which has incomplete sales data. Now moving on, next question is question number 3. The listings are organized by date listed. Okay. The 973 East Mulberry Lane listing needs to be moved up its list. Select and cut row 13 and insert cut cells on row 10. Simply we will select row 13 and cut this row 13, and go to the home tab. In the clipboard group we will click on cut button. This row will be cut, and now insert cut cells on row 10. We will click on row 10. Okay, right click on this row 10, click on insert cut cells. Okay, now moving on, next question is question number 4. I have done 3 questions so far. Question number 4 is that you want to assign a property ID to each listing. The code will have the year 2024 with a sequential number. Okay, this is the main point of this question. Type 2024-001 in cell I5 and use autofill to complete the series to assign a property ID to each property in the range A6 to A13. Basically in this question we will go to our Excel workbook and then we will click on cell A5 and then we will type 2024-001. We will type 2024-001. Okay. Now we will complete the series, complete the sequence of series. Use autofill to complete the series to assign a property ID property in the range A6 to A13. Okay. Okay, use autofill to complete series through cell A13. Okay, this is so good. Now I am going to do next question is question number 5. Question number 5 is that real estate agents study the number of days houses are on the market. In some cases, longer a house is on the market, it might indicate the asking price is too high. Enter a formula in cell C5 that calculates the number of days the first house was on the market by subtract market by subtracting the date listed from the date sold. Copy the formula to the range A6 to C13. Okay, basically in this question we will enter a formula in cell C5 that calculates the number of days the first houses was on the market by subtracting the date list from the date sold. Date list from the date sold. We will go to cell C5, press is equal to. Okay, then we will enter a formula date listed minus date sold. Okay, press is equal to date listed date sold minus date listed E5 minus D5. Then we will press enter. It will be find days on market in cell C5. Copy the formula to the range C6 to C13. Okay, copy the formula to the range C6 to C13. Okay, this is so good. Now I'm going to do next question. Please, if you do not able to do this assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. I will do this complete assignment for you with A plus grade, and I will do this complete course for you with A plus grade. Okay, now I'm doing question number 6. I'm going to do question number 6. Sorry. Question number 6 is that monetary values look better when they are formatted to display the dollar sign. Because all monetary values are whole number, you will decrease the decimal points to avoid columns where all the data ends in double zero. Format the list price and sold price in the range F5 to F13 G13 within the accounting format with 0 decimal places. Okay, we will select this range F5 to G13 and then we will apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places on this range. We will select this range, go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply accounting number format with 0 decimal places. Okay, with 0 decimal places. Okay, I have done this question. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment is question number 7. Question number 7 is that to analyze the real estate market, it is uh, helpful to calculate the selling prices as a percentage of the list price. For example, the second house was listed for 500 to $250, but it sold for only 400 $125. Therefore, the sale percentage of the list price is 7999 or 79.99%. The main point of this question is starting here. Enter a formula in cell H5 that calculates the sales price percentage of the list price for the first house by dividing the sold price by the list price. Okay, then copy the formula to the range H6 to H13. Basically, this question we will enter a formula in cell H5. We will go to cell H5, press is equal to, and then calculate the sales price percentage of the list price for the first house by dividing the sold price by the list price. Okay, dividing the sold price by the list price, press is equal to first house for the sale price, list price, F5 dividing by sold price, list price dividing by sold price, F5 divided by G5. Then we will press enter. Then it will be find percentage of list price. Okay, we will press enter. It will be find percentage of list price. Okay. Okay, then copy the formula to the range H6 to H13. I have also done this. The next question of this assignment is question number 8. 1 second. To calculate percentage need to be formatted with the percent sample rather than displaying the values or raw number. Format the values in the range H5 to H13 with percent style with two okay with two decimal places. One second. Okay, format the values in the range H5 to H13 with percent style with two decimal places. We will select this range and go to the Excel workbook, enter this range, and then we will apply percent style with two decimal places. Go to the home tab. In the number group, we will apply percent style with two decimal places. Okay. This question is done now. Now I am going to do next question is question number 9. The question number 9. Currently the labels on row 4 are hard to read. You will wrap the headings within each cell to improve readability. Center horizontally and wrap the heading in the range A4 to A4. Simply we will select this range A4 to H4, A4 to H4. Then we will apply center horizontally and wrap the headings. Okay, we will enter this range. We will go to the home tab. In the alignments group, we will apply center the alignments center horizontally and then wrap tags. We will go to the home tab. In the number group, sorry, in the alignments group, we will click on wrap tags button. Now I am going to do next question of this assignment. I have done 9 questions so far. Question number 10 is that for better sequencing of columns, you want to display the days on market columns after the two columns containing the dates. Insert a new column between the date sold and list price column. Move the days on market data to the new blank column F by moving the range C4 to C13 to CF4 to F13. Delete column C. Okay, basically in this question we will insert a new column between the date sold and list price column. Okay, we will have to insert a new column between the date sold and list price column. Date sold and list price column. We will right click on list price column and then click on insert. New column will be inserted and move the days on market data to the new blank column. Okay, C4 to C13. We will copy this and select this range C4 to C13. We will cut this and paste in cell F4 to F13. We will have to paste in cell F4 to F13 days on market. Now delete column C. We will select column C and delete column. Right click on this and delete column C. Okay, you can see on my PC screen I have done 10 questions so far. Total. Now I am going to do question number 11. You notice the list containing a wrong date and wrong list price that need to be corrected. Added the date sold of 41 Chestnut Circle House to be 422 2024. We will have to edit the date sold in 41. We will click on cell for 41 Chestnut Circle. We will have to edit the date 422 2024. 422 2024. Okay, total question of this assignment is 21. I have done 13 to 14 question in my video. For remaining question, and if you want to deal for complete course, you can contact me on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp and email are given in the description and shown on my bottom of the screen. I can do all online courses, MyLab Accounting, MyLab Finance, MyLab Excel, MyLab Word, MyLab PowerPoint, Writing, Economics, Java, C++, Python, Nursing, Medical and many more online courses. Please reach me out on my WhatsApp and email. My WhatsApp link is given in the description. You can click on my WhatsApp link and directly come on my WhatsApp chat, and you can scan my WhatsApp in the first slide of this video, and you can directly come on my WhatsApp chat and we will deal for this course. I will handle your complete course with A plus grade. You will be free from this course. I will do your R simulation training, R simulation exam, midterm exam, all assignments project and final exam with A plus grade. And And please reach me out for your other courses help. And I am handling many students courses on MATLAB, PSR, Cengage, Mintap, MCGRIL, Simnet, Blackboards, and many more colleges and universities. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and likes my video. Best of luck to my students. Thank you.